So this is in response to a comment left on my video about the Mica Miller 911 call, whether or not it was AI. I found something interesting. So the podcast she was listening to wasn't about committing suicide. Okay. Her divorce was a necessary ending. Okay. And down here at the bottom, go do some research. So I did. I went and did some research. I found, well, first let's start here.
So you got necessary endings. Your life of sleeping is over. So when I get into this and I start to look at what the scriptures say, I came across this passage, and here it is. You might remember the.
Okay. Necessary endings, Dr. Henry Cloud.
So cool. Speaking of necessary endings, your life of sleeping is over. So when I get into this and I start to look at what the scriptures say, I came across this passage. And here it is. You might remember the song by the Birds, turn, turn, turn to everything. There's a season, turn, turn, turn. I can't sing, but you.
He's talking about, or the song, here it is, by the Birds, turn, turn, turn. To everything, turn, turn, turn. There's a season, turn, turn, turn. A time to be born, a time to die, a time to plant, time to pluck, this is Ecclesiastes chapter 3. There is a time for everything, a season for every activity under the heavens, a time to be born, a time to die, a time to plant, a time to uproot, a time to kill, a time to heal, and so on and so forth. Okay, so then I found this.
All these high performers that could not pull the trigger.
Yeah, one more time, hang on. Did you?
That could not pull the trigger.
Crazy, right? So, this one, necessary endings here, this video, he ends this one with 1 Peter chapter 4. Therefore, since Christ suffered for us in the flesh, arm yourselves also with the same mind, for he who has suffered in the flesh has ceased from sin, that he no longer should live the rest of his time in the flesh for the lust of men. I guess I'll just leave you with that.